You ain't playing golf when it's storming.
Fucking rain.
Where the fuck you at? Wind's terrible. Squirrels don't know what to do. So I climb a tree, look for his nuts. It's lightning like crazy. We're driving the shit out of the ball though. What are you gonna do? Keep playing golf or call it? I think we might keep playing golf. Who knows? Nah, I ain't playing this wind. I'm gonna go park for a little bit and let it die down. We're gonna come back out. So that ain't windy, huh? These leaves are going crazy.
That's just a turnaround.
Crazy. We might make it back in time. I don't know. Don't know.
Here we go.
Whoa, this is nice fun. There's a tornado in a trailer park. I know that. You gotta have some good old bush lattes on board. Don't help our golf cart kind of sucks today. Yeah, I'd say we're done for golf for today. It's not supposed to let up for another 4 hours or so. Well, shoot. Well, it's picked up even more. Look at that water. I should have called her. No, you can see the flag. I'm barely, if you can see it. Update. Rain's starting to let up. A little bit. Still nasty. Still pouring. But we can go swimming while we play golf. Crazy. But it does feel really good outside for once. This week's been a scorcher. I'll take it. Going to get a ball in the pouring rain, soaking wet. If you lose his shoes, they're soaked, his socks are soaked, but hey, he got a golf ball out of it. What kind of ball is that?
Nitro!
Good old nitro. So since golf's rained out, what better way to do than go to Texas to get a nice fat steak and some delicious rolls. But don't forget that butter. And before your brother gets to them, lick them up. Here we go.